In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create a thread. So first, let's create a sketch on the top plane. Let's go with center rectangle, like this. Let's click OK, let's go feature, and let's extrude this. Let's go with 100 millimeters for the depth, like this, and let's click OK. And now let's create a hole on this face. So let's create a sketch here. Let's go with a hole. Let's make this hole 50 millimeters. Like this, and let's click OK. Now let's go to features, let's go extruded cut, and let's go 60 millimeters in depth. Let's click OK. And now, for example, on this face, we want to create a thread. And for that, we have a specific tool. So let's go to features, and here we have hole wizard. So let's click here on this arrow, and here we have a thread. Let's click here. So first here, we have to choose the thread location. That can be edge of the cylinder. So let's choose this edge here. Here we can choose start location. It can be vertex, edge, plane, planar surface. We're going to leave that as it is. And here we can choose the start angle, and we're going to leave that 0. So here we have to choose end condition. You can go with blind, and let's go with 50 millimeters, like this. And here under specification, we have to choose the type of the thread. Here we have some options. We have an inch diameter, inch tap, metric tap, and so on. Let's go with metric diameter, like this. And here we have to choose the size. Now we can see already the preview. We can zoom in, and now let's choose the size. Let's go with 214.2, like this. As well, here we can override the diameter and we can override the pitch, but we're gonna leave as it is. Here we have a thread method. We can cut thread or we can extrude thread, and we're gonna go with extrude thread, like this. And here we have rotation angle. We're gonna leave 0. Here we have mirror profile. We can mirror this if we want about an edge, but we're gonna check this. And then here we have thread options. We can go right hand thread or left hand thread. Let's go with right hand thread. And now let's click OK. And our thread is done. We can go to section view, like this, and this is our thread. We could also create this with a swept cut, but this is much easier. Now let's exit this and let's create a new sketch. Let's go on the top plane. Let's go with a sketch and let's create a circle here, like this. Let's go to features and let's extrude this. Let's go to 100 millimeters, like this, and let's click OK. And now we're going to create a thread on this cylinder, but we're going to now cut material. So let's go here to the hole wizard. Let's choose a thread. So for the thread location, we're going to choose this edge here, like this. For end location, we're going to go blind. Let's go with 100 millimeters. We're going to leave the type as it is. We're going to change the size. We're going to go with 42.3, like this. And here we're going to leave cut thread. We can also go with the right hand thread and the left hand thread. Let's go with left hand thread, like this, and let's click OK. And now we got this thread. As well, we could create this by using swept cut, but this is much easier. Now look at here at this beginning. Maybe this is not what we want. So we can fix this by creating a sketch here, and we can choose convert entities. And now we're going to go to features using extrude cut, and let's choose through all, like this, and let's click OK. And now this looks much better. And this is how you can create a thread by cutting or adding material.